Hello and welcome. My name is Kenzie Rock and this is KR Live. For those tuning in, this is KR Live podcast and I would like to thank everybody that has been listening since I started. This will be the first season, episode 2 of the podcast, and today's segment is known as Fast Fact Tuesday, where you know all about facts. So, in the last couple of months, what has been going around the world is COVID-19, otherwise known as the coronavirus. So, COVID-19 this, COVID-19 that. But what people haven't been focusing so much about is the asteroid that's coming right for us, like it's behind us literally. And it's estimated to hit, almost hit in the 29th of April. So before we talk about this specific asteroid, how about a few fun facts about all asteroids? So what are asteroids? These are small rocky objects that orbit the sun. So like any other planet, asteroids go around the sun. And they're small rocky objects. So y'all who know space rocks, those are asteroids. And the first asteroid was Ceres, which was discovered by Giuseppe Piazzi in the year 1801, which is really, really far back. Third fun fact, there are currently over 600,000 known asteroids in our solar system. So in the whole Milky Way, we have 600,000 known asteroids. So we have 6,000 rocks in space. Most asteroids are found orbiting in the asteroid belt, which is a series of rings between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. An astronomer, William Herschel, first coined the word asteroid, which means star-like, in the year 1802. This was after Giuseppe discovered the first asteroid. And as well as being the first asteroid discovered, Ceres is also the largest known asteroid. It was 933 kilometers wide. That's practically 580 miles across. And the smallest known asteroid was in year 1991. That was just basically 6 meters across, which is only 20 feet. And the current theory suggests that asteroids are planetesimals, which means they're building blocks of planets that were never incorporated into one of the 8 planets in our solar system. That's why they're just floating around and orbiting around the sun like any other planet. Apollo objects are asteroids whose orbits crosses the orbit of Earth, like the one that's coming. So it's an Apollo object. An asteroid impact around 65 million years ago caused a chain reaction that led to the extinction of dinosaurs and affected all life in Earth, according to scientists. Well, there's no proof, but that's what scientists think. No basic pictures or any statistical proof, but that's what scientists think. An asteroid just basically blew up in the Gulf of Mexico, thus destroying every single known dinosaur. And most asteroids are irregular in shape, meaning they have no particular shape. So asteroids can't always be circles or ovals. You'll find others, they're just randomly shaped. You can't even say it has an edge or a corner or something. And some asteroids are blown out comets. When the ice is gone, all the remains of the rocky materials, that's what comets are. So asteroids are frozen. So when the ice leaves and it's only rocky material, that becomes an asteroid. So like a couple of those asteroids used to be comets and now they're asteroids. And a meteoroid, which is a piece of an asteroid the size of a car, falls into the Earth's atmosphere an average once every year. So for y'all who have been seeing shooting stars, that's a meteoroid. So you're lucky if you've ever seen one. This creates a bright fireball effect, but it usually burns up in the atmosphere before it reaches even the ground. So before I tell all of you about the asteroid that's headed right for us, the 2002 PZ-36 asteroid, How about a little bit of music from the Queen of Pop, which is Ariana Grande? For those just tuning in, this is KR Live and I am Kenzie Rock. Today is Fast Fact Tuesday, and what we were talking about earlier was asteroids. So, as I was saying, there's this asteroid that's coming towards us, the 2002 PZ36 asteroid that was first discovered a couple years ago, 1998, and then reported at 2002. Then last year, after a piece of it hit Jupiter, like every single scientist and NASA faculty was like, okay, we have to do this. So, is it coming? Is it not coming? Yes, it's coming. Will it hit? Will it not hit? According to NASA, there are facts and they are assuring us that it will not hit us. It will just basically pass. So on the 29th of April, those who are close around the northern polar region, I think you're high enough, you can see the aurora, so I think you can see also the asteroid passing by. But I pretty much sure think that we will also see it, because this asteroid is not like other asteroids we're used to. Especially for me, I haven't really seen an asteroid pass by, but this I have to see. So this asteroid is approximated to be 4 kilometers of diameter, but its size, it's estimated to be larger than the Empire State Building. So imagine a rock like that just falling and hitting us. That will bring catastrophic disaster in the planet. In what way? When it hits the region that it's fallen to, okay, definitely all those people will die, and every single vegetation will die, and every single living thing will die, and then there will be this big hole on Earth. But what does that mean for the rest of the planet? Because even though this is an asteroid, Earth is bigger than the planet, but will it be affected? Yes, it will. So when this asteroid just hits us, if it was the case, after hitting, the rest of the regions will be affected by a winter wave. Okay, this sounds so movie-like, like let's say just all of a sudden the whole Earth is winter, and that change will not be so much of human living standard, because you can't live in coldness for like forever. So when this asteroid hits, that's what they think and know it will bring to the Earth. So we're safe for now, but are there other asteroids there? Yes, there are. As I mentioned earlier, we have 600,000 asteroids, and each and every day, each and every year, each and every month, a comet or asteroid or meteorite will pass across the Earth as it orbits around the sun, and very rarely a kilometer wide one will pass near Earth. Yes, it will pass in other planets like Mars and Jupiter because the asteroid belt, but for us this is a rare case. This is actually the third case, but I'm glad we're safe. All we have to worry about is the COVID-19 virus, which I should remind you, by the way, keep sanitized, keep your hands washed, stay away from germs, and also please take care of yourselves. Take a lot of vitamin C to boost your immunity, and if you just suddenly have dry coughs, please just go and get screened and make sure you're okay. So keep safe, everybody. Be happy, be good people, help the world. As I say, help one and that one will help another, and it will be a chain of reaction, and this will be a better place. So that's it for Fact Tuesday. So leave a comment. There's a message box for who are new here. There's a message box which you can leave a comment, or also a music request for our Musical Monday segment. But for now, I'm gonna say bye. It's been wonderful knowing y'all, and please don't forget, sanitize. I'm your girl Kenzie Rock. This has been a blast. So, ciao.